Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to say each of our high-frequency words for this week in sign language. Okay, so the first word is down. The sign for down is, you're just going to point down. Okay, so do that with me. All right, let's say and sign the word down. Okay. The next word is out. The sign for out is, okay, so you're just going to do like this, like you're taking something out. Okay, do that with me. All right, let's say and sign the word out. Okay. The next one is up. The sign for up is, you're just going to point up. Okay, do that with me. Let's say it and sign it. Up. Okay? And the last one is very. The sign for very is, okay, so you're going to make two V's with your hands, put them together, and then move them outwards like this. Okay, so do that with me. Okay, let's say it and sign it. Very. Okay, let's go over each one. Let's say and sign each word. Ready? Go. Down. Out. Up. Very. Okay, good job. Thanks for watching.